welcome back to Resville channel. Resville Trainer channel. Yeah, so welcome back. Today we're opening up 2 shiny fades premium collections of the Crobat. Since our last video, dang, that was pretty fire. If you haven't seen it, we pulled 3 of the same amazing rares. Yeah, it's pretty dope. It's the owner. So I bought these at Who's on First for a resale price, but worth it, I think. So it wasn't too bad. And so I'm gonna edit real quick, open these, and we'll get going. So yeah, so I'll open it real quick and we'll be right back. Alright, welcome back. So yeah, so now we got the 2, oh my bad, we got 2 of these coins. I'm not gonna show the other one. So the first box, well, I actually I organized them the same again, right to left. So box 1, box 2. So we open up box 1. Not bad. I didn't sleeve these one up right away, just to show you guys at the same time. Get pretty solid condition. Devin usually buys resale items from scalpers or whatever, so you gotta support everyone, because sometimes, yeah man, like this, it's really crazy nowadays where people are actually just scalping or really buying them out. It's not, I guess it's not too bad of a problem for Pokemon, because that's pretty good if you're selling out, but sometimes scalpers just be selling at a premium price. But this one wasn't too bad, 60 bucks, like $20 extra, so you know what I mean. I could almost bought another one for that price, but at least, yeah man, shout out to them, because I wouldn't be able to get none of these. Alright, I see first pack magic. Hey, we got Demzel V and Team Alright. I need that one. And then this is like, yeah, this one seemed like it got pinched or something. Like this whole side's all like warped and not. Man, I hope the Zard's not in this, man. That's all I'm gonna say. I hope the Zard is not in this. Boom. Alright, pack 2. Yeah man, trying to do this weekly, if not once a week or so, because yeah, it's getting expensive to opening up packs, but I'ma still do it because I'm a fan and I'm a collector. I don't know, I might be doing segments of just buying, finishing up. I might just do part 1, part 2 of, I don't know, of what's it called. I might finish off like my second master set of Hidden Fates, just going to card shops locally to see if I can complete them. Cause yeah, I don't know if I want, for sure, I think I'm just gonna send my whole, I want to get a second grade, a binder set and a graded set of Hidden Fates, cause that'd be dope. I wouldn't mind a 9 or 8 collection right away, but a 10 would be fire. So we got Dedenne and Zarude. Not bad pack so far, not the best for sure. Alright, can I do it? Boom. Alright, we gotta get one shiny out of these at least. Hey, boss's order with boss's order. Fire. Alright. Not looking so great. I guess it's either a hit or miss on these. This is my first dud box. Better be a Zard or something shiny. Oh, again, we got a Thraki and Camarant. Oh my god, not even one shiny, dude. What the lump? Alright. Code card. Wow. Alright, let's do it. Zard. Hey! What the heck? This is like my 4th one. fire. Dude, what the heck? Maybe this card's not gonna be as expensive as we think it's gonna be if it's such an easy common card to pull. But it's not hard. It's like, yeah, it's pretty hard, but not hard. What the heck? Alright. So that was box 1. Crobat V. These new cards feel pretty dope. I like them. Like, chill feels nicer. But then again, I've been playing with a lot of Magic cards too, so I don't really complain. Qualities of cards are cool. I'm paying a lot of money for some shiny cardboards. Alright. Secret to Crobat V is Reshiram. Well, I don't know why I threw it that way, but alright, let's go. First pack was semi-dead, I guess. I don't know. I'm actually gonna just put this all in one pile, so we know where we're starting next. So new pile, new code card. Can we pull the Zard? Ski, let's go. Nope. Hey, Trap Pinch and Celebi. Kind of noticed there's a lot of same patterns of some of these cards, or cards that are grouped up together. Cause you know what I mean, like, shoot, I feel like Trap Pinch and Celebi always get grouped up. Ooh, we got Trap Pinch again in the DNV. Not bad. So I wonder if we can get 3rd Trap Pinch in a row. I mean, a lot of things been happening 3 days. Is it a sign? We did get a Trap Pinch, by the way. Sight. Alright. 4 August. Fire. Oh, it's dark. Alright. Boom. And we got a Grookey Manaphy. I have yet to pull a Manaphy Hollow. Alright. So the only non-single pack of one pack of the, I can't think of the name. Man, I'm smoked. Something, I forget. Dang, Womp. 4, I can't count. Alright. And a Horsey and a Dreadnought. Boom. Can I do this? Alright, I didn't rip the Zard pack good, but let's go. We need shinies. I guess shinies aren't that easy to pull because we ain't pulled one in these last 2 packs. Alright, last pack magic. Was this resealed? I'm kidding. Maybe. I don't know. Let's go. Can I do this? No, we did not. Last pack magic. These are all buns. This is what back-to-back dead packs look like. What the lump? This what? Whoa! All right, right here. This is nuts. Decidueye and Rowlet. At least we got like an evolution right there. Man, someone needs, yeah, mid-grade pools, exactly. Dang, not the best, but alright, let's go. We got Reshiram, Thraki, Boss's Order, Indeedee, Carfan, Horsey, Team Runt, Yon Mega, Cramorant, Boss's Order, Zarude, Professor Research, Yelmega, Delmize V, Rowlet, Chowlet, Valcorona, Horsey, Grookey, Trapinch, Decidueye, Celebi, Chlorine Weezing, Dreadnought, Manaphy, Dedenne V, and Celebi. So tune in next time, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, help a bro out, you know what I mean? So tune in next time. Yeah, thank you.